So I've always loved Samsung. Here are the cell phones I have used in the last 8.5 years, and I'm happy to say that I finally have an S10 Plus. So I'm not very techy, but I wanted to show you the unboxing of the S10 Plus. So let's go ahead and open the box. So let's first just look what's inside the lid. So inside comes a key. This helps you add more storage, inserting a bigger memory card if you'd like to have more space on your phone. And here's the quick starter guide. So they put an easy tab in so you can just pick it up very easily. It's a very nice screen, has a nice backing. So here's everything that comes with the cell phone. Here is a wall USB charger. This little device is a USB connector. And inside this container is your cord. So the Galaxy S10 Plus has a Type-C USB charging port. Now the Samsung cell phones used to come with Samsung headphones, but no longer supply the Samsung headphones. They now come with the AKG headphones. So let's go ahead and unbox the headphones. So here we have some extra just little earpieces. Everybody's ears are different sizes, so they have the larger sizes, the medium, and then the small size. The AKG headphones have a nice shape, so they can sit right into your ear. And after using them for a couple months, I find them very comfortable. So on each of the little headphones here has a little plastic tab that you want to take off. They're on both sides. You can take that one off too. There is a little mesh inside. Here is your volume control button and speaker. Here's a better look at the earpieces. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Samsung S10 Plus cell phone. I really like the backing. So the fine print is pretty much just saying that it was made in Korea. I find it very shiny, and also it's not that heavy. It's very thin, a nice silver edging. Here on the bottom we have a speaker, the charging port, and the earphone jack. On this side we have the volume tabs and the Bixby tab. And here's the top. If you want more memory, you can insert just with this little slot right there using a micro SD card. It comes with already 128 gigabytes. It also comes with a screen protector right on it, so you don't have to worry about lining it up yourself. Here's a close look up of the screen protector. So let's go ahead and turn on the device. So swiping right to left actually swipes quite smoothly. And if you swipe up, it shows you all the apps that are on your phone. And if you swipe down, it brings down your menu bar. This has all your sound control, your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, everything that you need in your settings. So this cell phone actually has 5 cameras. On the back, there's 3 cameras. In the front here, there's 2 cameras. Right there. Let's remove the plastic piece off the back. You will also find plastic around the edging of the cell phone. Go ahead and take that off as well. And right here is your power button. It has a nice smooth silver side with curved screen edges. And on the left side you have your volume button. This lower button controls your Bixby. So let's go ahead and turn on the phone. Right away your main screen comes up with all your apps on. Just by moving it left to right, glides very nice. You move up and down. So here we have the camera. We have video, super slow mode, slow motion, and hyperlapse. Also photo. Here I just want to show you the difference that these three settings are. So this is your normal view. Here if you want to look closer, and then here if you want more of a view without even moving away. Just by a click of a button. Then you just have a lot of different effects that you can play with. You can make it darker around the edges, or you can blur it out. The quality of the picture actually is very, very good. You can zoom in and see how good the quality is. You can also crop your images and set different filters. You can also rotate your photos, write on your pictures, and do a lot more. Here's a few things you can do with your phone. Is you have a calendar, keep everything in order. You also have Facebook. You also have Instagram and Messenger. Just by going to the Play Store, you can add any kind of app that you would like and make it your own. So overall, after using this phone for a couple weeks, I really like it. It's very easy to use. And if you're taking a lot of pictures or videos, I highly recommend this phone to you. I hope you enjoyed my video of the Samsung S10 Plus. Thanks for watching. See you later.